Hey guys, it's Vika and you're with The Modern Creatures. Welcome to another Creature Comforts video. In these videos, we talk about all sorts of things that make our lives convenient in a more casual setting. And if you haven't yet, please do consider subscribing to this channel if you like the content we produce and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Okay, with that out of the way, let's begin. Okay, so today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. Today we're going to talk about cooking. Yes, okay, so cooking is actually a large part of my daily routine since I do try and cook every day and I really do love it. I love cooking. But ever since the pandemic hit and we've been stuck in quarantine, it's actually become more of a chore and it gets tiring to do every day because if I don't do it, there's really no choice or else we won't eat. So I was pretty excited when I saw restaurants started offering those DIY kits or those frozen kits. They basically take the prep work out of cooking, and if you do cook, you know that prepping the ingredients or prepping everything you need before you actually start cooking, it's half the battle and it's part of the reason why cooking is so tiring. So with that in mind, we're actually gonna talk about a couple of frozen kits we got from one of our favorite local restaurants. It's called Hackensack. And with these kits, we're gonna show you how convenient and time-saving they are, and for anyone who is working at home or who just has a lot to do, you just want to save time cooking, these are actually a really good option to consider. If you've seen our 4-in-1 multi-cooker video, you'll have already seen us cooking these frozen kits, but today we're gonna go into a little bit more detail. So let's start with what Hackensack is really famous for. Their burgers. They offer a frozen cheeseburger kit which contain enough ingredients for about 6 people, depending on how much you eat. These contain patties, burgers, the sauces, the Hacken sauces, your pickles, your onions, and of course your cheese. And when I say these are super easy to cook, I kid you not, these are no-brainer dishes. For the patties, all you have to do is take them out of the freezer, let them thaw for a bit, and just put the patty in the hot oil, let them fry for a couple of minutes on one side, flip it over and do it again, and then that's about it. You have your Hackensack burger patty. But of course, you're not gonna eat these patties alone, and you'll want to try Hackensack's homemade potato buns. Because of Hackensack are now my favorite choice of bread for burgers because they're just extra fluffy. I love the taste of potato buns. They're a little sweeter and they're a little softer than the regular wheat buns. Pairing that with the Hackensack patty is just really good. Going back to the kit. So to heat up the buns, it's as simple as putting them in the toaster for a few minutes. You can put some butter if you want. What I like to do is I put the flat side of the bun in the same pan that I fried the burger in, so it gets some of that meat oil, that meat juice. It's not the healthiest thing to do, but it is a delicious thing to do. So you can do that as well. And that's the beauty of frozen kits in general. There's a lot of room for customization. For the Hackensack frozen kit, for example, once you're done toasting your bread and frying your burgers, you could add a lot more things if you really feel like it. You could put in extra pickles, extra sauce. You can even put in an extra patty or two, have yourself a double cheeseburger, a triple cheeseburger, all from the comforts of your own home. And if you're anything like us, you'll be looking for some fries to go with those burgers. Luckily, Hackensack also offers a frozen version of their waffle fries, which are also really good. The owners actually started making fries, and they actually have other restaurants that focused on burgers and fries alone. That's why they have perfected their recipe and their cooking style, so you can be sure that their burgers and fries, their recipes have gone through a lot of testing, even if they're so simple. So in cooking these waffle fries, there are no special instructions here. Simply toss them in a hot pan of oil, let them crisp up and get that beautiful golden color, fish them out with a slotted spoon, let the oil drain out, and you've got yourself some good old-fashioned waffle fries. So now you've got yourself a Hackensack burger and a plate of golden waffle fries. Pair those up with a cold drink, or what we prefer, a cold beer, and you have yourself a delicious and easy meal in under 30 minutes. Now, if you're not in the mood for burgers, Hackensack also offers frozen kits of their other crowd favorites. These include the 10-inch beef franks, which are complete, including buns and sauces, pickles, and all that. They also offer wings, frozen wings, which you can fry up, and they also offer the different sauces that they offer in the store. And lastly, they offer crinkle cut fries if you just want your plain old fries and not the waffle fries. And that's about it for this quick creature comforts video. We just really wanted to show you guys one of the few things that we find make our lives a lot more convenient. Frozen kits or DIY kits in general take a lot of work out of cooking, and if you're a busy person like us, or you're working from home, or you have other priorities and you still want a good home cooked meal without having to order in, or if you don't want to worry about your safety, these frozen kits or convenience kits, DIY kits, whatever you call them, all you really have to do is take them out of the freezer and straight to the pan, and they usually have everything you need and you just have to assemble, and it's such a time saver. And you can save about an hour or two. Instead of just cooking in the kitchen, you can do something else, maybe work, maybe family, but yes, those are 2 hours that you can save in a day. And for busy people, 2 hours is a lot. And if you guys want to try out those Hackensack kits, we'll have the information down below. So I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer, but we are cooking things up here at The Modern Creatures, so please do consider subscribing to this channel and visit our website and our other social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, I'm Vika. Thanks for watching, guys.